राजस्थान आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया टाइम्स। स्कूल्स के एडमिशन्स का टाइम है और हम शहर के सबसे पुराने और प्रतिष्ठित और पहले सीबीएसई इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल एनवाईपीएस में है और यहाँ पर हमारे साथ बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं अलग अलग क्लासेस के 8, 9, 10 के। उनसे बातचीत करेंगे कि वो एनवाईपीएस में आकर कैसा महसूस करते हैं और एनवाईपीएस में जो उनको शिक्षा मिल रही है वो कैसी है। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। इन विच क्लास यू आर? 8th. From how many years you are in this school?
8 years.
8 years. So from starting, from beginning, you are here.
From first class.
From first class. So what the difference you feel here? What is the school? How are the teachers? How is the atmosphere? What about environment?
Teachers are cooperating with us. यहाँ का स्कूल का एनवायरनमेंट और दूसरे स्कूल के कंपैरेटिव में काफ़ी अच्छा है। यहाँ पे सारे बच्चे प्रॉपर लाइंस के अंदर, प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म के अंदर आते हैं और एकेडमिक्स और स्टडीज़ के ऊपर हम ये जो स्कूल है दोनों पे ध्यान देता है। और हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं वो हमारे बहुत कोऑपरेटिव हैं। हमारे बहुत सारे डाउट सेशन होते हैं और हमारे पास प्रोजेक्टर क्लासेस भी होती हैं हर मंडे या वेडनेसडे। उस दिन हमको मैम प्रोजेक्टर पे कोई भी लेसन या उसके जो भी संबंधित होते हैं उससे दिखाती हैं।
Yes, you are in?
I'm in 10th grade.
Okay. So what is the difference? He told like about studies and all that. What apart from studies you learn here?
Sir, what the most I felt here is that there is so much focus not only academic performance but also on co-scholastic skills. For example, if we take an example of any particular school, so there the more focus is on academic skills or either more focus is on co-scholastic skills. But with here I felt that there is equal importance of both academic as well as co-scholastic.
Everything.
Yes.
And what about sports?
I'm in 10th and the sports is very good in the school. They focus very much on sports. Also, they focus on leadership in the students. They have a program called LDP, Leadership Development Program.
So what you have learned from LDP?
The students have lost the stage fear, which is the biggest problem in today's young generation.
Okay. So stage fear is removed by your that program LDP.
Yes.
Okay.
Stage fear is removed from all the students of the school.
From how many years you are here?
I have been here from 8 years.
8 years. It's a very long time to. What are the changes you are feeling? The changes in education, changing in infra, changing in everything. What the changes have come out in the school?
When I had first come into the school's academic performance and sports were slightly less, but now they have improved a lot. And now they have introduced LDP, they have introduced test cycles, and test cycles have boosted the academic performance very well.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Pari.
Pari. Okay. In which class you are, Pari?
8th.
8th. What is what you like most in the school?
Here, all students are developing more skills through activities are there, sports day are there, annual day are there, from which they can they develop more skills and they do not get stage fear also from that.
Okay. What's your name?
Navya.
Navya.
I'm from 9th class. And actually the thing which I love the most is here is like not only the focus is on the in which class we are focusing on the future too. Like every Monday there are MCQ tests in which competency based questions are there, like the way we are having in NEET and JEE paper.
Okay.
Also NDP is there which enhances the child skills, and also it helps us when we go in colleges so we can be more attractive and have more good speech.
Okay, you want to say that your school is preparing you for future ready?
Yes.
Future ready.
Yes.
Your good name, beta?
Raj Arya. I am from 9th grade.
Okay. So what you feel? The school is everything is there. Before you, each and every students have told about the school infra, teaching, LDP and all that. What the difference? Any other things they have?
Yeah, they have test cycles which are held every Monday, and teachers are most cooperative. If a children is facing any problem, so they cooperate with the children, talk to them, solve the problems, and also there are many revision classes. So The syllabus is firstly completed and there are more number of revision classes which help the students to build their confidence in their particular subject.
Okay. Apart from school, do you feel you need tuitions, extra classes, and all that?
No, I don't think so because teachers are most experienced teachers and they well know about the topics and we can clear our doubts from school only.
Okay. Everything is okay.
Yeah, everything is
You are
okay.
fully satisfied?
I am fully satisfied by the school.
Okay. From how many years you are here?
I am here from the past 5 years.
5 years. And before this, the difference between your previous school and this school?
There is a lot of difference. I have been more confident now. I can speak on any topic now and I feel more confident in expressing my views at every stage. Like if someone asks me if someone come from outside and ask me any question, I am feeling very confident while replying the answer.
So, what the message you want to deliver to new students or those who are going to take admission in new schools? So they should come here on what is the difference?
The students who want to build confidence and develop their skills more, they should definitely come to the school and the more focus is on improving the student also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There are many other students. We will talk to them also. Yeah, your good name, beta.
Myself, Kumari Kusum. I am from 10th grade.
Okay. So what is like what you feel here? The atmosphere, when you talk to your parents or your brother or your sister, do you feel fearless only? You can talk anything to the atmosphere. What is how the atmosphere in the school?
The atmosphere is very good in the school.
Okay.
We always converse in English.
Okay.
And we feel very confident while talking to each other and with talking to the teacher.
Okay. What's your good name, beta?
Myself, Anjal Sharma. I am from 10th grade.
Okay. So what you want to tell about your school?
I just want to say my school is the best. They always focus on both the skills, like as well academic as well and sports as well. There are so many different activities on every Wednesday. There are different activities to enhance our creativity and confidence.
Thank you. Where you are? Your good name?
Myself, Kajal Singh. I am from 10th grade, and I just want to say that the school is very good as it is enhancing the students for the future, and they are also helping the students in their life in maintaining their life skills. As we have heard that many students are learning only the theoretical part, but they lag behind for the practical parts. They do not understand it very well. They only write it in the paper, but they do not understand. But this school focuses on practicals also.
Thank you. What apart from studies you want to say co-curricular activities, sports, what are the facilities?
There are many facilities like the co-curricular activities and sports activities which help us build us in many ways. Is they help us who like the sports, they build themselves in the structure of sports and get achievement.
Okay. What do you want to say?
I want to say that our school teaches both wisdom and virtues. As it is the logo of our school, teachers focus on wisdom as well as virtues. They develop the moral ethics and values of our students. Also, we can develop our communication skills by leadership development program.
Okay. In which class you are?
I am in 9th class.
Okay. You speak very well. And what is the whom you feel who is the best those who teach this type of communication skills and all that? Whom you want to give credit?
First of all, I want to give credit to our honorable director sir, principal ma'am, and my class in charge itself.
Okay.
They give me duties and chance to speak on stages and in our classroom also.
In one line, what you want to say about NYPS?
This school is excellent for the students who want to build their communication and confidence.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.